Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Simone. I am a Dallas Fort Worth real estate agent. I am currently at a home in Arlington, Texas. It just went live 5 days ago. Went live meaning it just listed for sale for $385,000. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home built in the 80s, and it's a little over 2,000 square feet. So of course, as always, I'm gonna take you guys outside and then we'll work our way in. Alrighty guys, so here is the outside of this home. This is a 2-car garage. It does have this really cute walkway stairway area. Pretty big yard, pretty big deep yard, so you're gonna want to have some good knees to be cutting this grass. Okay, so I'm gonna take you guys in. It does have this really cute green door, which I actually like. This is like a really royal green. I love that a lot. Okay, boom. So as soon as you walk in, you do have a dining room area. And for some reason, I actually love that these windows are low. Like they sit very low to the ground. So I do like that a lot. It gives it a really nice cozy vibe. So when you walk in, like I said, you have that dining room to the left and you have this coat closet right here. And then boom, you get the grand entrance, the fireplace, which is gas. And then right next to the fireplace, you do have this wet bar. Check this out. And then you do have new countertops. How cute are those? I like those a lot. So here's your cute little wet bar, water running, have all your liquor, your wines, your decorative items all hanging up there. Super cute. What do we think about these floors? Do we like these floors or is it giving too much? So that's where we just came from. So this is gonna be the kitchen area. Here's actually another dining room, nook little type of space. So actually, if you wanted, you could really use this space right here for like another living space. Put a little office or a little TV area right there. So boom, here is your kitchen. They have that blue. They obviously painted those cabinets because these are original cabinets. How do we like the blue? I like that a lot. Look at that. I like the blue. I'm not mad at the blue. Definitely original cabinets, but they did a nice job painting, and you got paint on both sides, so they did good. You got those quartz countertops. Classy. Single sink right here, and then they did put in brand new appliances. So there is that. I love this whole little rectangle shape microwave. Like that's like a thing I've been seeing, and it's really nice. Let's see. Okay, so you pull it down there. Okay, boom. Okay, yes, I like it. I'm not mad at that. I like that a lot. And then look, you have another area to put your wine and things, right? Okay guys, so we are leaving the kitchen space. I'm gonna take you to the laundry room, which is right here. And then you have those blue cabinets in here as well. Check that out. So that way your matchy vibe looks good. Now I'm gonna take you guys to the master, okay? So here's your master. You have your ceiling fans, double windows on both sides. It's actually a pretty big room. And then as you walk in, you have your big shower. Check that out. That's definitely a new towel in there. You have your brand new shower. Actually, wait a minute, y'all. Y'all, it's not a glass. Like this is just open. You would have to put something up. You have to put something up because it's gonna be water everywhere. Okay. Closet number 1. And then let me show you guys closet number 2. Closet number 2. Okay, so they did not replace the tub in here. So that tub is definitely original, 1984, I want to say the home was built in. Look at that. Ooh. Anywho, and I really actually thought they should have painted these blue, like the kitchen, the laundry room. What do you guys think about that? Comment below. And then obviously they put in new sink, new vanity, so that looks really good. And now I'm gonna show you the other rooms on the other side. Okay guys, so the other bedrooms are gonna be on the opposite side. So this is a split floor plan. You do have bedroom number 1, and they all do have ceiling fans. You have bedroom number 2. Super cute. Oh, and then there's those built-in shelves that they had back in the day. Look at that. Yep, grandma had those at her house. Okay, and then they did do some upgrades to the master bathroom. So they got that new quart sink in there. It looks like they even possibly could have replaced that tub, because that tub does look pretty new. Look at the whole shower. I think this whole thing is new right there. But I like it, simple, classic, not doing too much. And then you have bedroom number 3. So really nice sized bedrooms. Definitely giving you some character. Mixed with a little bit of new updates. So I'm not mad at it. Comment below and let me know what you guys think about this home. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. The listing price is gonna be $385,000. So let me guys know, would you buy this home? Is it not your style? Let me know what you guys think. Okay, as always guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Let me know what you guys think about this video, and there will be more coming soon. Bye.